Hello guys, so if you're looking how you can make international payments on Lloyd Bank's application or on your desktop version, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. So make sure to keep watching the video till the very end so you don't miss any steps. Now firstly, what you have to do is just simply go to your Lloyds Bank account, then log on to your account. Then if you're making a transaction between EEA and UK, then you have to enter your recipient's full name and address, the recipient's IBAN number, and the recipient's SWIFT or BIC number. So that is all needed if you're making a transfer from UK to EA. If you're doing a transaction from UK to anywhere in the world, what you have to do is, firstly, it will be the same for the starting three: the recipient's full name, address, IBAN, and SWIFT and BIC. These three will be the same as in over here. Now, the extra thing that will be needed is the name and address of the recipient's bank, the clearing code, and the reason for your payment, that why are you sending the money to that particular recipient in whichever part he is in the world. So after entering all of that, just simply enter your amount and click on pay. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.